Hi, today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2015, and it's day 129. And I apologize if you can hear that noise. We just got a new washer, dryer, and stove, and the washer and dryer are on, so they're making a lot of noise. So try to stay out of here, but like it's so beautiful with the stove. It's a double oven, and it's really nice. And cats are here. They just came out because the guys were just installing the thing, and they just left. But they were here early. They were supposed to be here from like 1 to 3. And they came at like 12:30, so I like just gotten out of the shower and everything, and yeah, so that sucked. But they were done pretty quickly, less than an hour, so that was good. What else? I don't know, I'm so like flustered. So you have to go to work in a little while. That noise is really annoying. Like I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear all the way in here. But it's also really dark in here, and yeah, I don't know. What else? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm exhausted, as usual. I don't even know what day it is. Is it Wednesday? I think that's what I said. I got a shot yesterday at the doctor, for some, I don't know, cancer thing or whatever. I don't know. It was like my 3rd dose. There's Pib. And oh my god, it hurts so bad. It's like the most painful shot I've ever gotten. Because like getting it hurt as well. It was like the initial like poke like into your skin, which usually is just like a little pinch, so it's like no big deal, but like it was like that, and then like continuously, like the whole time she was like, I guess, putting the whatever inside my arm, it hurt the whole time. It was awful, and I was like really sore. I can hardly lift it, so that's fun. But I mean, I guess I won't get that cancer, I guess. I don't know. That noise is bothering me, and I hope it's not too distracting, so that's where I'm going to end for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!